You click links every day, but have you ever thought about what's actually happening behind that link? That weird text at the top of your browser, that's called a URL. But what does it really mean? A URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Sounds complex, but it's actually simple. A URL is just the address of something on the internet. Like your home address tells people where you live. A URL tells your browser where to find a website. For example, https www.google.com. Now let's break it down step by step. First, https:// This is called the protocol. It tells your browser how to communicate with the website. There are different types of protocols, but the most common ones are HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is the basic method used to transfer data on the web. HTTPS, the secure version of HTTP. The S stands for secure. It means your data is encrypted while traveling between your browser and the website. Now next part, www.google.com. This is the domain name. Instead of remembering complicated IP addresses like this, we use simple human-friendly names like google.com. But here is something important. Domains can have different types and they actually tell you something about the website. For example, .com for commercial or general websites, .org for organizations, .edu for educational institutions, .gov for government websites. And then there are country specific domains like .np for Nepal and .in for India and .uk for United Kingdom. So just by looking at a domain, you can often guess the purpose or origin of a website. Now let's go a bit deeper. Sometimes URLs also include something like this. Everything after the domain is called the path. The path tells the server exactly which page or resource you want. Think of a website like a big building and the path is the specific room you are trying to enter. There are also a couple of extra parts you might see in advanced URLs like query parameters. These are used to send the data to the websites. For example, when you search something on Google, and sometimes you will see hash section. This is called a fragment. It takes you to a specific part of a page. Now let's simplify everything with one analogy. Protocol equal to how you travel. Domain equal to the city. Path equal to the exact house. Query equal to instructions for what you want. Fragment equal to the exact room inside the house. Once you understand this, URLs stop looking complicated. They are just structured addresses. So next time you click a link, remember you are not just clicking randomly, you are telling your browser exactly where to go and how to get there. And that's the real power of a URL.